Gusto sa mga damit. Oh. Napaka-fashionable kaya niya. Ang hot pa.
Tama. Ikaw na. Ayan. From Ivanatic, sabi niya, Hi
guys.
Doshna. Sabi niya, are you into sports daw?
Yes.
Jack Post.
Dude. She's weird. Dude.
Joke lang.
Yeah, I used to play tennis. I used to, I don't do it anymore. Di na po masyado. I love mountain biking. If I could only get a bike here, I would go. I'd be in the mountains. I'd love being, on the trail. I love mountain biking. Basta mountain biking. I like yan. Just kidding, guys. Yeah. So I'm if I can if there's a game to play. Ayun, din ako. Basketball. Saya yun. Kaya lang, I'm not really that great at it, but it's fun. It's fun.
What could you say about the line that real men are into sports or get into sports?
Get into sports.
Ako lang ng billboard sa may Guadalupe ng booking.
Real men get into sports?
Real men get into sports or try sports. Ano masasabi mo sa line? What could you say about that line?
I think it's true. I think real men get into sports or try sports. Yeah.
Yun ang motto ko. Totoo naman.
Real men can wear pink, but then it still look good. Yes. Okay. I think real men do. Of course. Yun ang pinaka-punto ko eh. Real man ako.
Eto naman, para daw meron naman daw spice and sweetness dito sa chat room, sa chat natin. Sabi ni Happy Heart, ano daw yung top 5 secrets ng isa't isa na alam nyo sa isa. So, ilalaglag niyo yun. Bawa si Ivan, anong secret ni Yen? Si Yen, anong secret? Ay, si Ivan, anong secret niya? Si Yen ang magsasabi.
Mahirap niya na!
Dami.
Wait, madami ka dyan!
Thank you.
Oo, siya yung gumagawa ng breakfast. Tapos, ano ba? Si Ivan, sweet yan. Pag nakikita kami palagi sa kahit saan, at hindi lang sa akin, kahit kanino, pag nakakakita siya ng kakilala niya, talagang bumabati siya, naghahag siya, nagkikiss siya, ganun siya. Tapos gentleman din to.
Ganun?
At very hardworking talaga si Ivan. Talagang kinakaya niya lahat. Dancing, pag-aaral ng Tagalog. Siya yung lalaki na makikita mong pursigido talaga sa ginagawa niya. That's Ivan.
Can we go on a date? I like her.
Gandahan mo yung sa akin, ha? Maganda yun sa'yo.
Wala lang akong secrets. Okay. She told all of them. Let's see. Yan. Because I talked to Joey. Dami kong alam. Dami.
Yan, go!
Ang dami talaga. Ang dami. So, I don't know na anong klaseng secret na pwede dito. Na pwedeng sa'yo. Sa inyo. But if you say, just type there, kahit anong pwede, pwede! I'll say it now. So,
ano ka ba? Sige na, go. Yung matutuwa ako, Ivan, ha?
I know that Yen is a very, very happy person all the time. I don't know why. I don't know. Every time she sees someone, it's like she's sitting there. She's like this, right? She's like this. I'm just sitting there, and she sees. Well, now she sees me. She sees me. Hi. Hi. Hello. So, yun, that's one secret.
I
If
could
you think
attest to
she's...
that,
Diba?
happy person talaga si
Right?
Yen.
Okay, I don't know why.
Jumpy, bubbly,
If you guys can find that
bouncy.
out, I would give you... I don't know what I'll give you, but I'll give you something. Because it's a big secret. Let's see, that's one, right? There's four more. Four more.
One pa lang.
Let's see.
Eto, may request kasi isa natin chatter. Sabi, since nagsasabihan na daw kayo ng secret, gusto rin niya magsabihan kayo ng 5 things na gusto niyo sa isa't isa, pero, ang catch doon, while looking into each other's eyes.
Wow!
Kailangan
Te!
Oh!
Kailangan eye to eye.
Ayos!
Naisip mo pa yun, Te, ha?
Yeah.
Kailangan eye
Sige,
to eye.
go!
Also, acting workshop.
Eye to eye. While you're saying that.
It's difficult. It's harder than PBB.
Si Yen, game mo siya.
Ano ba yun? Yung spin the bottle?
Oh my goodness.
Ay, tapusin mo muna yung ano.
Yeah, okay, so four more. Four. She is
Eye to eye.
the...
Eye to eye.
I'm just trying to pull it out. Because I know a lot. Because I talk to... I'm trying to, differentiate. Okay, let's see. There's a lot I can't say. I really can't. We just skip this.
Oh, 5 things na lang you like about Yen while looking into her eyes. You like about beautiful, sexy, bouncy, jumpy, happy, sexy.
Bulahin mo na lang ako.
At least you know na.
Bulahin mo na lang ako.
Kasi natin sa isang question, kailangan looking into her eyes.
I'm nervous, guys.
Go Yen!
Why?
Kumusession ka na.
Why?
Ako talaga, no?
I'm so nervous.
Parang ako.
I'm
Sige
so-
nga
I'm so
kasi.
Nakatingin na si Yen, no?
Isipin mo na lang ako si ano. Oh.
Sino?
Sino yun?
Maybe I'll die.
Si Sa. Si Sa. Okay. Game.
Okay, game.
5 lang naman yun. Yung mabilis lang.
Oh, I have to say it. You're gonna say it? I'm gonna say it.
Alin?
I have to say it.
You have to say it, and then Yen would say 5 things as well.
Pati ako.
Sheldon.
Handsome, looks like Edward Cullen. With the
Mas guwapo siya
accent.
doon.
More handsome
Okay.
than Edward
Okay,
Cullen.
I got it now. Again, you're so sweet. You know exactly what to say to make anyone feel better.
Don't make this
Yung sincere naman! Ay, hindi na ako tatawa, promise. Game na.
Okay. So, actually, what I like about Yen is that kahit medyo bata-bata siya. Tama ba yan?
So, ano ba?
Bata. No.
Childish.
Yes, childish.
Yeah.
Makulit. She's always fun to be around. She's always happy. You're always... Actually, a lot of time you are the center of attention. A lot of times, even if you don't know it. Everyone always looks at you, and you don't look back. She's so goofy. You're so goofy whenever you dance. It's nice kasi kahit yung she knows you know you're goofy and parang you play it out. And parang mas cute ka dun. That's okay.
Ikaw na yan! Your turn!
Ako pa? Ay.
Kaya nga eh. Told you it's hard.
Okay. Oh, halata naman. Gwapo ka. Alam naman ang lahat yun, diba? Alam mo ba yun sa sarili mo?
Can I say something?
Good. Sige.
May nagsabi, wala akong nakita.
Ang humble. Ayun pa. Humble ka. Tapos, okay na yun, guys!
Oh, naman.
Hi!
Group pa.
Ayan.